Today in this video I will be sharing with you some of the shade loving plants. These plants are ideal for low light areas in your garden or else keep them as indoor plants in your home. So let's see the plants that loves the shade. Christina plant, another beautiful two-tone plant that prefers the shade, and you'll have to put them in huge planters. Rubber plant, one of the best indoor plants. Grows with a single stem cutting and also with a leaf cutting. You don't need fertilizer to grow this plant. Only thing is you'll have to keep it in a shady corner. One of the beautiful house plants with its big, huge leaves. Umbrella plant, another shade loving plant. This is also one of the best decorative plant. Another low light plant, and also you don't need to water it every day. This is Sansevieria. Fits into any small planter, DIY planter, or else you can keep it in plastic container as well. In this video I will be sharing with you some of the shade loving plants that grow in the low light. So this is Aglaonema, and they are in many varieties. Here look at these plants. All are Aglaonema varieties. So these plants prefers the shade, so you can keep them indoors as indoor plants. These are also low maintenance and permanent plants. So these plants you can grow very easily without any effort. A beginner gardener can easily grow them, and once you bring them from a nursery, keep them in a shady corner if you are not putting them inside the house. So you will have to find a location where they will get partial to medium sunlight. So this is the plant that suits into small planters and also ideal to decorate your home. So here I have them in different size planters. So this is Chinese evergreen. This is also a shade loving plant. Erica palm looks really very beautiful in huge planters, and also this is ideal at your entrance. These plants are decorative house plants, best indoor plants, and also shade loving plants. And here we have the ZZ plant. ZZ plant also another plant which loves the shade. They'll grow really very healthy and beautiful. Do not go to overwater. You can water them by checking the soil. No need to water on regular basis. One of the beautiful indoor plants. Varieties of philodendron. These plants also prefers the shade. They grow really well, healthy in the shady corner. Ideal indoor plants. And also one of the green looking plants. This variety is really very beautiful and no need of fertilizer as well. Varieties of Dracaena grows well in the shade. This is one variety. It's another decorative plant, Dracaena variety. Another beautiful house plant. Lucky bamboo grows well in the shade. This is also another variety of Dracaena. If you want to know more details about how to grow them, you can check my channel. There are many videos which I have uploaded, and there are many details as well with my personal experiences. Cast iron plant you'll have to put in a huge planter, and this plant also grows well in the shade. If you love green plants, you can add them in your home as house plants. Another low light umbrella plant, another shade loving plant. This is also one of the best decorative plant.